Today we're going to remove the thermostat from this 2012 Chevy Cruze. Alright, so this sensor looks like it's there. All you simply have to do is pull up and it comes out of its little socket there. We're going to go ahead and undo this sensor as well. Just press in the pigtail and pull it up. That gives us a lot more access. You know what, to give us more access, let's go ahead and just remove this one. I might need a flathead for that. So let's go ahead and just pop this back. Come on, you. There it is. And there it comes out. Now that gives us a lot more access. Let's go ahead and pull this up. And let's actually unplug this from here. Might need both hands. There we have this undone. This undone. Set that up there. Set this up here somewhere. And that gives us a lot more access to remove our thermostat. Next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and remove this clamp from here. Alright, I went ahead and moved mine up. That way, just for showing purposes, just go ahead and grab your preferred pliers. Just pinch it. Oh, sorry. And pull it backwards. There it is. Now you will have to have something to catch all this coolant underneath. Alright, I have my oil pan that I'm going to just kick underneath. Kind of line it up. It's pretty good. Really can't see anything. Super dark down there. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and undo this hose if it wants to come off. Alright, just go ahead and twist it loose. There it is. And let's go ahead and pull this back. Try to elevate it to reduce the coolant leakage. Just try to clamp it somewhere. There it is. I was able to slide it underneath this hood prop latch. And there we have it. We have to remove, looks like 10mm screws, 4 of them. So let's go ahead and remove those from there. Boy, was I wrong. It's a 5/16. Let's go ahead and use a 5/16 to remove that. Alright, this one here is a little bit in the way, so just go ahead and bend it over a little bit so you can access that. Go ahead and loosen that up. And loosen all 4 of them up. There it is. Go ahead and remove all 4 screws. Alright, there's all 3. Now I just got to remove that bottom one and we should be set. And you will start to leak some coolant out as soon as you start to release the last one. Alright, there are all 4 bolts. And oh no, this plate is in the way. Holy smokes. Alright, so I moved this 10mm nut. It's right here to see if maybe this bracket will give us a little bit more clearance. If not, looks like we'll have to take off this housing as well. And not. We're gonna have to take off that housing as well. Yep. Alright, it looks like we have no other choice but to loosen up this housing here. So let's go ahead and use the 5/8 and let's go ahead and break this loose. I believe it has 4 bolts, 2 on top and 2 at the bottom. I'm gonna try with the first 2 and see if I could break these enough to hopefully get this plate out. I might have to break the rear ones as well. Alright, I went ahead and loosened up this housing. Let's go ahead and try to get this off here. There it is. Sweet. Kind of feels like there's more screws on this one. 2. I am not too sure. Oh no, but it does have this line attached to it, that's why. But we're able to move it enough to get that thermostat. Thought that was oil. Get that thermostat out. Sweet. Anyways, that's how you remove a thermostat from a 2012 Chevy Cruze. There it is. Here's the replacement. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video of how to install it. This video is just how to remove it. This is going to be the real fun stuff. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.